This 2024 Sunset Park RV SunRay 129 Sport is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Sunset Park RV is 15 feet 5 inches in length and features a grotto with ash cabinetry interior, sleeps 3, TV antenna, air conditioning, external shower, microwave, water heater, LP detector, spare tire kit, and 22 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Sunset Park RV SunRay 129 Sport is 1,840 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.